Hello guys and welcome to today's video. This is the first video of 2025 and we are going to be talking about this massive winter storm here that's going to set up from the Midwest all the way to the eastern seaboard. But right now I'm going to primarily focus here on Kansas and Missouri, as those are going to be the first two states to get impacted heavily by this storm. So what we're seeing right here is the National Weather Service, all the advisories, warnings, etc. And we have blizzard warnings up for parts of eastern Kansas, and now we have blizzard warnings up for parts of northwestern Missouri. Now, what this means is you're going to have very heavy snow falling down in these areas. Up to a foot can fall in some of these locations, even more than that. It depends on how all the bands set up of the snow and all that. Plus, not only that, but you can see winds of about 40 miles per hour whipping all of that snow around, making visibility very, very, you know, hard. It's going to be hard to see very far away, which is going to cause accidents, if people are on the roadways and they cannot see what is going on. So, this is just a case of, just stay home and be safe about it. And just, just stay home. That's just how it is when with systems like this. We also have winter storm warnings here for Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, and two or three counties here in North Carolina. So you're looking at some snow and some ice with this, but that is for the next day or two over here in this area. Right here, not only can we see that foot or so of snow, we can also see a half an inch of ice accumulations in some of these areas. Now, to take out power lines, you only need about a third of an inch of ice accumulations, and that's already forecasted here. So I would expect power outages to occur. For how long, who knows? But not only can the ice take out the power, but it can also be very dangerous on the roads as well. You can have sliding vehicles, car crashes, all this other stuff that comes with the ice. So that also, just leads to just staying at home. No use to make things difficult out and about, right? But here we go. This is a GFS initialized at 12Z, and as you can see, as soon as the 18Z hour came, that's when the ice accumulation started in Kansas City, where here the next 12, 18, 24 hours going into 30 hours, some of these places in Kansas and Missouri are really going to get rocked here with ice accumulations. Also, on the backside of that, you're going to see some very heavy snowfall as well, on top of what might already come down with the ice and the sleet and the freezing mixed precipitation here in some of these areas. So it's just going to be a very dangerous day to come, depicted by the GFS. All right, so here is the European. We are looking at this starting around 15Z and moving all the way through. Might move out a little bit quicker maybe than the GFS. Yeah, it's about the same as the GFS in duration of the ice and the snowpack here. So yeah, no matter how you slice this, this is going to be a very dangerous next couple of days here in Missouri. When it pertains to this winter storm. So my advice, like I said, just stay home. Ride it out. Make some hot cocoa. Get a fire going. Stay warm. This is the most important thing that you guys can do. In case of a power outages, make sure you have your flashlights. Maybe some mini layers on to keep warm, blankets, multiple layers of, shirts or sweaters. This is all just in case the power does go out, because there's a good possibility the power is going to go out. So, it's good to be prepared. Take it, you know, 1 hour at a time, as they say with these, kind of storms. And I hope everybody stays safe. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching this very short video on this winter storm. I will have another update on this again tomorrow. Have a good day.